it, they ain't let it slide. Eye for an eye, use the third eye anyway. Hands on Holyfield, words on Hemingway. Anywho, I ain't been interested in the clubhouse, cause I can't be taking Zoom calls at the plug house. Tryna reach the minds of the young thugged out. All the black leaders either bougie or they drugged out. Deeper they dig, the blacker my earth. Think they tryna hide my actual worth. I don't need no cap, I'm living my truth. I broke through the ceiling, my feet on the roof. Blacker the berry, more drippy your juice. Think they tryna hide your actual roots. I black out the window and back on my coupe. I don't need no theories, I'm actual proof. Hammer chisel ready.
Twala Cole, aka Sister Cole, and how's my beautiful family doing? I hope that you guys had a beautiful and prosperous day. You guys know what I need you to do. I need you to like, share, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. Yes, ma'am. And I'm going to circle back around to leaving those comments because I absolutely love to read your comments. And don't forget to give me those thumbs up, guys, because you know that these things help me to get out there in these YouTube streets. Now let's get into this video. All right, guys, so today I just went I got my nails done. Yes, I did something a little different. I put it in the clip. I don't know if you guys can see it really good, but I did something a little different. I did like the chrome nails, like natural with the chrome silver tips. So yeah, they look so cute, right? They look so cute. Yes. So yeah, I went and got my nails done, went to the beauty supply store. I didn't really do a whole lot of shopping. Yo, I went inside of what is the name of that store? Walmart. Yo, I can't. Walmart was so crowded. It was so crowded. You could barely move. I mean, the aggravation. I'm like, oh my God. But, you know, I was with my husband. He wanted to stay in there to get, you know, some stuff. But, you know, I was like, oh, I can't do this. That's why I never go. I can't take the crowd. And you know what? I don't really see the savings, honestly. You know, everybody's like, how, you know, reasonable or whatever. I'm not saying that, you know, stuff is a lot, but I'm not really seeing like why people, well, maybe is it because it's a store where you can do everything? Maybe that's it, because you can grocery shop, you can, you know, buy your clothes, house, like you get everything in one. Maybe that's it, you know. I mean, sometimes I see like little stuff that's reasonable here and there, but you know, other than that, I mean, it like honestly, it drove me insane. We stood in the line. I swear, it had to be about 30 minutes standing in that line. The cashier was so slow. I was like, Jesus, take the wheel, because I'm about to just catch a case on myself. Yes, ma'am. It was just ridiculous. But anyway, let me show you guys just the little teeny little stuff that I got there. All right, so I'm just going to show you some stuff that I got from the beauty supply store. Like I said, nothing major at all. All right, so I got the Got2b glue, but I got like the little small size, and this is for traveling purposes, okay? For traveling purpose. Yeah, so I got this because you know you can't bring like certain sizes of stuff on the plane. So yeah, I made sure I got that. I got myself some wig caps. Okay, and then I also got myself just a big bottle of the Got2b. Okay. And what else? Oh yeah, I got myself a nice lip pencil. This is a dark brown. I'm gonna try that out. And I got myself some liquid eyeliner because I ran out of that. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to do my face because I have not done a little makeup, like a makeup face with me. And I'm going to put this disclaimer out there, as I always do. I am not a professional makeup artist. I am not a great makeup artist at all. I don't do nobody's makeup. I don't even give nobody tips on doing makeup. I only do my makeup for me, the best of my ability, okay? And I like to share with you guys. And if you see something that I use or you see something that I did that you like, I love that for me. But trust and believe, I am not a professional makeup artist. No, sir. I am no, sir, and no, ma'am. I am still learning. And this is the reason why I love to watch y'all's pages. You understand? The ones who know how to do makeup, you know, or the ones who like to play with makeup like me. I love to watch because I am definitely learning a lot of tips, okay? So let's get into this little makeup with me.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my bed. I've been working all day. Catch a break.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Let me know in the comments. All right, I'm beginning to fix my little perfume stuff together here. And here I have the Lazy Susan. I have it. If you guys watched my other video, I had bought those at Burlington. So yes, I'm beginning to put them together. Right here, sort out the perfume and stuff. Beginning to sort them out. But yeah, this is what it's beginning to look like. I'm just starting to sort them out. When I get it all together, I'm gonna let you guys see it. Oh guys, I wanted to give you guys an update. A while back I had ordered some of the Dozier, you know, the perfumes, and those are the perfumes that are like they're supposed to smell like big brand perfumes, you know. So I had ordered a while back this one right here, which is called Floral Marshmallow. Okay, Floral Marshmallow. I had ordered this one, right? I don't know like which perfume it's supposed to imitate, but you know something, you guys, I think I'm gonna order this again. I love how it smells. Okay, the top notes in it is marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. The middle notes is orange, blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris, and the base note is amber, vanilla, and musk. So it's like I think I'm gonna order this one right here. Like, I don't know what perfume it's supposed to imitate, but I love it. I really love it right here. At first I was like, yeah, but now that I've had it a while and use it, and really, has had some time to really use it and smell it, I really like it. I like the whole vanilla and the musky like that I'm smelling, but it's unique and it smells really good. And I do get compliments on it. So you know what? I think that I will order this one back again. So if you're interested, it's called Floral Marshmallow. I love to share, when I find something good, just in case you guys, want to use it. I'm definitely not getting paid for it. Nobody's promoting me to do this whatsoever. It's just, I kind of like it. Now, you can see I put quite a dent in it because it smells pretty good. I usually wear this going to work when I don't want to use my really good stuff, so that I use this one going to work. But I really grew to like it.